So, how hot is there like a minimum heat temperature level that we need to get to?
For now, again, we have to make a division. We have to divide those, the heat therapy and the traditional sauna. And I'm talking only about the authentic sauna bathing experience. And for me, the uh, the sauna should be somewhere between 165 Fahrenheit to one. Actually, the UL code in the U.S. states that the electric heater has to be less than 195 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's just like technically, I have to say that it's between 165 and 194 is the heat that it's supposed to be, but it's like somewhere 180, 190 is what I like myself
Okay.
very much, and we don't have similar kind of restrictions for obvious reasons for wood burning sauna heaters, but it's still I don't want to go hotter, so I like it set to something. Let's say 180, 185 is where I want to be.
Okay. And you mentioned I didn't quite catch it, but you said the 194 is the upper limit for that a thermometer can
And
go
for
to?
the UL code in the United States, it states that the
Oh,
sauna heaters can't, the sauna can't be. It has to be one less than 195 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the undescribed as laboratory code states. So
wow.
that's why legally I'm saying it's 194 is where I want to be.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Wow. I didn't know that. And then one thing I saw too when I was just kind of researching this a little bit, because here they'll in the U.S. they'll say like they'll call something like an infrared sauna, but was it in Germany where they can't call that a sauna?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. They are very strict about it. They're very
Okay.
strict about it. And I don't really have a problem with companies calling infrared rooms. I don't do it myself, but they call them infrared saunas.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.